In the kingdom of Arendelle, life was peaceful after Elsa and Anna had saved their home. Elsa had learned to embrace her magical powers, creating beautiful ice and snow. One day, while exploring their castle, Elsa began to hear a mysterious voice, calling to her from the enchanted forest beyond the kingdom. Curious and excited, she knew she had to find out what it was. Feeling the pull of the voice, Elsa decided to venture into the forest, and Anna was determined to go with her. Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf, their lovable snowman friend, joined the sisters on this new adventure. Together, they set off to discover the secrets hidden in the enchanted forest and understand the source of the mysterious call. As they entered the forest, they found it surrounded by magical fog and ancient spirits. The forest was alive with magic, and they soon learned it was home of the Northuldra people, who had a special connection to the nature. Elsa and Anna discovered that their mother had ties to this group, which made their journey even more special. As they explored deeper, the sisters faced challenges that tested their courage and bond. Elsa had to confront her fears and understand her true purpose, while Anna showed bravery by standing up for her sister. Together, they learned about the importance of trust, family, and finding their place in the world. During their adventure, they uncovered a long-hidden truth about the past. They learned that a conflict had occurred between the Northuldra and Arendelle, and it was up for Elsa and Anna to heal the rift and bring peace to both sides. This revelation made their mission even more important, as they wanted to unite everyone in harmony. As they journeyed through the forest, Elsa discovered her connection to the elemental spirits: fire, water, earth, and air. Each spirit has its own unique personality and challenged Elsa in different ways. With Anna's support, Elsa learned to control her powers and communicates with the spirits, showing her growth as a leader. In the end, Elsa and Anna succeeded in bringing peace to the enchanted forest and their kingdom. They learned that love and understanding are the strongest forces of all. With the spirits and the Northuldra people by their side, they returned to Arendelle, knowing that their adventures had only just begun, and that together they could face anything that come their way. Do check out our playlist for more reading exercises. Please subscribe for more.